Hello viewers, this question was sent to me by one of my followers. So let's check to know whether it has a solution. The question says solve 2m power m is equal to 18m. Okay, now to solve this question, I think I will start by dividing both sides by what? By m. So 18m divided by m, and the 2m power m divided by m as well. So this and this will cancel out. We are left with what? 18, which is equal to 2 bracket open. M power m divided by m is the same thing as, since the bases are the same, I will pick one of the base and apply division law of indices, which is m minus what? 1. Because this m that we have here, its power is what? 1, but it is invisible. So I made it to be visible now. So we are left with this. Okay. Now the next thing that I will do now is I will divide both sides by 2. When I divide both sides by 2, we will have m power m minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay. The next step now will be m power m minus 1 is equal to 3 power 2. Okay. Now the next step that the final step now will be m power m minus 1 is equal to 3 power, this power 2, I can express it in this form, 3 power 1. And the 3 minus 1 will still give us 2. Okay? So from the summary of everything, m is equal to 3. M is equal to 3. Okay? So this m that we have here, look at it here. This m that we have here, look at it here as well. And we have minus 1. Look at the minus 1 here. So summary of everything is that m is equal to 3. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to do that so that you will get more notification when I upload new video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.